Hey guys, this is Naima. I hope you're doing well. This is my first ever YouTube video. My first YouTube video is on Rakhi. I am very sure that all the sisters are very excited for this season and festival. So, this Rakhi is called a Rose Rakhi, which is trending nowadays, and together called Couple Rakhi also. So, this tutorial is very easy. This Rakhi is also very easy and inexpensive. So enjoy the tutorial. Thank you. Take a pencil and draw a circle on the back of the photographs. Then with a pair of scissors cleanly cut out that circle. Second photo too. Glue at the back of the photographs. Now stick it on the red cardstock paper. Now cut it to a yarn shape and leave the space for flowers like I am doing. Now take some foam tape and start sticking on the corners of your circle. Remove the sticker from the foam tape. Now we have to stick the satin roses on the corner and on the foam tape, like I am doing. Cover the radius of your circle with the flowers. Make sure not to hide the photographs. Now cleanly cut the excess stem part of the rose. Take some white beads and start sticking on the corners which are visible. Now glue at the back and stick the ribbon to tie on the wrist of your brother. To make it more neat and clean, stick it on a black chart paper and cut the excess part. Now your Rakhi is ready to give to your brother. Repeat the same procedure to make a Bangle Rakhi. Take the same red ribbon and join the two ends like I am doing and stick at the back of your Rakhi. Glue at the back again and paste it again on a black cardstock paper to make it neat and clean. Don't forget to cut the excess part. Now your Bangle Rakhi is almost ready. You need to hang the pom-pom and the beads on the second end. Now start stitching like I am doing. Insert some beads on the thread. At last, take a red pom-pom and insert it on the end of your beads and thread. Insert one more beads to make it clear and beautiful. Now tie a knot at the end go. So guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. Happy Rakhi!